Hello friends. Can you identify the noun and the noun clause in the given sentences? Alok surprises me. This is the first sentence. That Alok is coming surprises me. This is the second sentence. The word Alok is a noun, while the group of words that Alok is coming is a noun clause. Do you want to learn the ABC of noun clauses? Then, in this video, we will learn all about noun clauses. First, we will learn what are noun clauses. Then, we will understand how to identify a noun clause. Finally, we will learn where are they generally used in a sentence with lots of examples and exercise. I would request you to stick till the end as you are going to learn a lot in this video. So let's get started. What is a noun clause? A noun clause is made of two words, noun and clause. Now, what is a noun? The noun is the name of a person like Virat Kohli, a place like Taj Mahal, a thing like a book, or an idea like beauty. And what is a clause? A clause is a group of words that has a subject and verb agreement and has a meaning of its own. It is mainly divided into two types. Number 1, independent clause. For example, Alok surprises me. And number 2, dependent clause. That Alok is coming surprises me. Here, that Alok is coming is an example of a dependent clause. That Alok is coming is acting as a subject of a sentence, which means it is acting as a noun in the sentence. So, it's a noun clause. So, the noun clause is a clause that acts as a noun in the sentence. How to identify a noun clause in a sentence? There are two steps to identifying a noun clause. Number 1, noun clause generally starts with subordinating conjunctions that how, what, who, which, when, where, why, or whoever, whomever, whenever, wherever, whatever, whichever. So, first identify the clause which starts with these conjunctions. Number 2, we should be able to replace the clause with what, who or whom, and the clause should be able to answer it. Let's look into an example to understand these two steps. That Alok is coming surprises me. The first step is to identify the conjunction. Here, that is used as a subordinating conjunction. And the entire group of words that Alok is coming is a dependent clause, as it has a subject and a verb and a meaning of its own. Now, with step 2, we can confirm if it's a noun clause or not. What is step 2? Step 2, replace clause with what or who or whom, and the clause should be able to answer it. After replacing it with what, the sentence is, what surprises me. Here, the clause that Alok is coming is answering the question what. So whenever you find a clause and you want to identify whether it's a noun clause or not, just replace the clause with what, who or whom. If the answer is coming, then it's a noun clause. Another way to identify a noun clause is to replace the clause with the pronoun it. After replacing the clause with it, if the sentence is complete, then it should be a noun clause. So here, after replacing the clause that Alok is coming with the pronoun it, the sentence becomes, it surprises me. As the sentence is making complete sense, we can conclude that the clause that Alok is coming is a noun clause. So these are the steps through which you can identify whether the clause is a noun clause or not. Now let's look into different functions or uses of a noun clause. A noun clause has similar functions which a noun has in the sentence. What are the main functions of a noun? A noun has 4 main functions in a sentence. Number 1, it can act as a subject in the sentence. Number 2, it can act as an object in the sentence. Number 3, it can act as a subject complement in the sentence. And number 4, it can act as a case in apposition in the sentence. Similarly, a noun clause can also act in these 4 different ways. We will look into each of them with an example. Noun clause acting as a subject in the sentence. The sentence structure would be subject plus verb plus object. And here, the noun clause would be acting as a subject in the sentence. Let's look into an example of it. That you have come pleases me. Here, the clause that you have come is acting as a subject in the sentence. So, it's a noun clause. Some more example of noun clauses as a subject are: what she told surprised me. Here, what she told is acting as a subject. Hence, it's a noun clause. Where she lives is not known. Here, where she lives is acting as a subject. Hence, it's a noun clause. Now, let's look into examples where noun clause is used as an object in the sentence. A noun clause can act in 3 different ways as an object in the sentence. Number 1, object to verb. Here, the sentence structure is subject plus verb plus object. Let's look into an example of it. I asked where Suresh was going. Here, the clause where Suresh was going is acting as an object to the verb asked. Number 2, object to preposition. Here, the sentence structure is subject plus verb plus object plus preposition plus object. For example, there is no logic in what they say. Here, the clause what they say is acting as an object to the preposition in. Number 3, indirect object. Here, the sentence structure is subject plus verb plus indirect object plus direct object. For example, my teacher will give whoever completes the project a gift. Here, the clause whoever completes the project is acting as an indirect object. So in this way, a noun clause can act as an object in the sentence. Now, let's look into examples where noun clause is used as a subject complement in the sentence. A subject complement identifies or describes the subject. Some people also call it an object. The sentence structure would be subject plus verb plus subject complement. For example, life is how we enjoy it. Here, how we enjoy it is acting as a subject complement. One more example could be, we believe that they are loyal. Here, that they are loyal is acting as a subject complement. So in this way, a noun clause can act as a subject complement in the sentence. Now, let's look into examples where noun clause is used as a case in apposition in the sentence. The sentence structure would be subject plus subject 1 plus verb plus object. For example, the news that Rajiv Gandhi was killed shocked everyone. Here, the clause that Rajiv Gandhi was killed is giving more information about the same noun news. So, it's a case in apposition. One more example could be, the rumor that he failed is true. Here, the clause that he failed is giving more information about the same noun rumor. So, it's a case in apposition. So, in this way, a noun clause can act as a case in apposition in the sentence. So, the 4 ways in which a noun clause might come are as a subject, object, subject complement, or case in apposition. Now, let me give you an exercise. In this exercise, first you need to identify the noun clause, then identify whether the clause is acting as the subject, object, subject complement, or case in apposition. The questions are: number 1, what you said is very bad. Number 2, she told that she would resign. Number 3, I find no sense in what you spoke to her. And number 4, the fact that she is a good dancer is false. Pause the video, solve the exercise and message the answers in the comment. I'll be waiting for it. To know the correct answer, please check the description of the video. Let's quickly revise what we learned in this lesson. First, we understood what is a noun clause. Noun clause is a clause made of 2 words, noun plus clause, and acts as a noun in the sentence. Next, we learned 2-step formula to identify a noun clause. Step 1, the noun clause starts with subordinating conjunction. And step 2, The clause should answer to the question what, who, or whom. Another way to validate whether a clause is noun clause or not is to replace the clause with pronoun it. Next, we learned different ways in which a noun clause could be used in a sentence. Number 1, it can act as a subject. Number 2, it can act as an object in the sentence, which includes an object to verb, object to preposition, or an indirect object. Number 3, it can act as a subject complement in the sentence. And number 4, it can act as a case in apposition in the sentence. Finally, I gave you an exercise whose answers you will be giving me in the comments. That's all in this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Link to all the videos related to this topic is given in the description. Like, share, comment and subscribe in case you found the video helpful. All the best for your upcoming exams. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.